Today we will introduce an NFT pixel game called Bomb.Crypto. It's a game on the BSC chain. Let's have a look at its official website. We can choose how to play this game, such as on web, on iOS or on Android. Let's move on downward. We see in this game, we can mine two types of token. One is BCOIN and the other is SEN. Once we can mint two types, we have more choices. Then let's see the sale records of the NFT. This game now has its free trading system. We can see its characters, Barrow, have been sold about 20 million. It also has a housing system. We can see its bouses are almost sold out, which are official ones, showing its popularity. This game has always been very popular. Now I am going to show you how to play this Bomb.Crypto game. We can see here, click on Play Now and we will enter its game interface. Then we click Continue. The game allows us to log in with user account or Metamask. We have multiple choices if we choose user account, because we can log in with the account on many different computers. That is very friendly to those players who would like to hang up. I am gonna show you how to enter with Metamask. The icon with a fox is the Metamask. There are many installation tutorial on Google. We just go to Chrome Web Store Extensions section and search Metamask. Click the Add to Chrome button. Once installation is complete, we click on the Get Started button. If it's your first time to create the wallet, click the Create a Wallet. Create a password for your wallet. This password is to be entered every time the browser is launched. And wants to use Metamask, click on the dark area, which says click here to reveal secret words to get your secret phrase. Then comes the most important step: back up your secret phrase properly. Do not store your secret phrase on your computer. Please read everything on the screen until you understand it completely before proceeding. The secret phrase is the only way to access your wallet if you forget your password. Once done, click the next button, then click the buttons respective to the order of the words in your seed phrase. In other words, type the seed phrase using the button on the screen. If done correctly, the confirm button should turn blue. After all these steps, congratulations! You have just created your own wallet. Since the game is on the BSC chain, we need to add a BSC network in the Metamask. Simply select your profile icon on the top right, and head down to Settings in the left-hand corner. You will see the Networks option. Once you select that, you will have a screen just like this. You must then click on Add Network to add BSC. You will be asked to enter technical information about the network that you want to add. Then fill out the information. You can search on Google. Once the Metamask is ready, we go back to the Bomb. Click on the Metamask. A signature will jump out. Click on the signature. After loading, we enter the game. First, let's talk about the mode. First mode, Adventure, needs keys to play. How to get keys? We can get them from the second mode, Treasure Hunt. Let's have a look at the second mode. It's like the Bomberman we used to play, right? But the difference is that it's automatic. We cannot operate the character. It will act as a virtual character to bomb the case in the map. Once the case is bombed, you can get your cryptocurrency. There are different types of chests, like wooden chests, traditional chests, golden chests and diamond chests, and each chests give different amounts of cryptocurrency. The diamond chests give the most amounts. The chests randomly give the keys and you can use them to play the first mode. Now let's check the first mode. There are many levels in this mode. You can go to level 1-2 after you pass the level 1-1, and then go on. You can choose a character to play. Here it shows the reward of using the character to pass the level. Once you use the character, it will cost you 1 key. Pay attention that one character can be used only once in the following 24 hours. You need to wait for a CD of 24 hours. The battle mode is like the Bomberman we used to play: left, right, up and down to move, and space to place the bombs. Quiet, interesting. Okay, we continue to talk about this game. Let me introduce the functions of the game. On the upper right, there's a setting, and we can see the photo of user in the setting. The function of this is to set your account with this account. You can log in the game on your mobile phone or on another computers, but there's a restriction for using account, is that it doesn't allow us to withdraw money. Then let's talk about how to withdraw money. In this box, the box left to the setting, we can see the two types of token, SEN and BCOIN, and we can choose which one to mine. We can choose either BCOIN or SEN to mine. There are also blind chests, which will randomly appear on the map, and if we are lucky enough, we may open them. Next, let's talk about how to obtain the characters in the game. First way is to go to the shop in the game, and we can see 10 BCOIN or 10 SEN to buy one character. From the blind box, we may obtain the Legendary one, epic one, or rare one. Another way is to buy other plays in the market. We come to see its market. In the market, we can see it's already very mature. We see its dashboard. It shows a trading volume of 24 hours, 7 days, or even 30 days. Here are the total sale, total volume, and barrow sold. We can buy the characters here. Here you can choose the rarity of the characters you want to buy. Once you get your favorite one, you can click on the buy button. Now let's talk about the skills of each character. Every character's skill is randomly generated. The first character, its first skill is up its damage when the chest explodes. Second skill is up its damage when the prisons explodes. Third skill is explode through the block. Fourth skill is that there's a 20% rate not lost mana when placing bombs. Every character has its own mana. Fifth skill is to up stamina while resting. Sixth one is that it can go through the bomb. Last one is that it can go through the block. My suggestion is that we choose Epic 1 to play, because Epic 1 can carry 4 skills. Characters of different rarity can bring different amounts of skills. Epic ones have some skills we must carry. First one, damage up when the chest explodes. Third one, explode through the block. Fourth one and fifth one is also considerable. We can choose either one. The last one, go through the block. We must carry these 4 skills. It can apparently increase the number of token you mine. Next, let's talk about the house. Once the stamina of the character in the game becomes 0, the character will stand in the map and begin to rest. At this time, the speed of recovering the stamina will be very slow. We see this character, it is resting now. Its stamina is 0. The time for it recovering is very long. It will cost almost a day. But once you have the house, it may recover in 2 hours. How do we get the maximum utilization of the house? We can buy a luxury house. A luxury house can contain 8 characters. Okay, not the penthouse, the luxury house. We can see it can contain 8 characters. There are total 15 characters that can battle in the map, so we can let them rest by turns. For example, you can let 7 battling in the map while other 8 resting in the house. After 8 rest enough, use them to replace the first 7. I have tried this way before, and the total output of tokens one day is about 200-250 a day. Yes. So much for today's game introduction. Thank you for watching.